Okay, so you take your cutter and then you select a portion, a reasonable portion, and then you slice it this way. 1, 2, depending on the thickness of your wire, you might get it to touch the cables. So it's most often prescribed you do it just once, and then after you've taken the blue portion off, you take this hard part out. You cut it out with the cream, and then you separate the wires. I said you arrange it according to the color codes, which is white, orange first, and then you go to orange. You cut it to get a straight edge with your cream. You force it inside the RJ45. So after cutting to get your straight edge, you take your RJ45 and then you force it inside you force the cables inside the RJ45. You make sure they all touch the edge of the RJ45. And then you take your crimping tool and then you crimp it. Yeah, you crimp it so you get a firm RJ45. And then just as what we did for the other side, we are going to do same for this side too. So we arrange according to the color codes, just like the other one. That's white, orange, orange, white, green, green, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, and then brown. Yes. And then you cut to get your straight edge. So you are going to force the cables into the RJ45 again, and then make sure they are firmly touching the edge of the RJ45. And then you crimp it just like how you did the other edge. So you hear the sound. So now, with our two sides firmly fixed or correctly fixed, you take our firmly fixed. As you can see clearly, you take one side or you place one side into this side. That's the RJ11, RJ45 section of the scanner or the tester. And then you firmly the scanner. Then you firmly place the other part also here. So after that, you on your tester. It's supposed to read from 1 to 8. But when it's wrongly fixed or when there's a problem with your cord, you are not going to get it that way. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As you can see, it's repeating again. So it means my cable is correctly fixed. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe and share. Bye, YouTube.